everyone. Good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Oh, let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom or wow. It is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools awake. So listen, my friend, learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. So my friend, learn the value of training. Nowadays, children need training for a godly living. Because the Bible commands the children, the parents, to train their children so that they develop godly values and have discipline. So we need a generation today that lives the fear of the Lord. And the way or the key, only way, is by training. So that when they get old, they will become a productive children or citizens. So my friends and all the parents, that is a reminder to everyone. And I declare to all of you, Shalom, Shalom. Peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.